Morning, guys. Hey, back at work. This morning a driver came in with the unit that was check engine lights lit up, and driver's complaining slow response, slow boost. Basically the driver says throttles up and the bus is taking a little too long to pick up speed, having trouble getting it from 0 to 30, and then bus runs fine after that. By the symptoms that the driver is talking about, I mean, it makes me think that DPF filter's probably going to be clogged up with a whole bunch of soot. So let's go ahead and scan this one, see what the scanner says, and we'll see what happens after that, dude. We're going to go ahead and start up the computer. Let's see what it says. Okay, boost, low response. It says it's healing. Got previously active, so I'm not going to worry about those just yet. And of course, the last one, the one that's pending, it says DPF incomplete regeneration. Before we actually put this unit into regen mode, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, go under the hood, remove the 7th dozer injector, clean that one out. I mean, they get pretty cruded up. I mean, you got carbon deposits clogging up the injector. Just go ahead and take it out, clean it out, get that out of the way, and then we'll go ahead and set it up for regen. See how the DPF filter is doing. See how much soot is inside of it. Alright, then we go ahead and start removing that dozer injector and cleaning it out. Alright guys, this here is the 7th injector. This is the dozer injector. Whenever you regen, this is the one that actually pours fuel into the DPF filter. Get it hot enough to get clean. We go ahead and remove it. Well guys, as you can see, this is the dozer injector. And as you can see, there's it's not significant, but there's quite a bit of carbon deposits on the tip that will not allow the injector to diffuse the diesel and do what it's supposed to do, which is get the DPF filter to hit temperatures of 1,000 degrees. We're going to go ahead and get this one cleaned up, reinstalled, and we'll see what it does. Well guys, this is so you can see the difference between what the injector looked like before and what it looks like when it's clean. Alright, there was quite a bit of carbon deposit on it, and when I try to spray through it before I cleaned it, it was very uneven, and instead of it being a mist, it was more like a drip. It should do fine now. Let's go ahead and get this sucker back in there and go ahead and set up the bus so that it can regenerate and hopefully clean that DPF out. There we go, guys. Those are injectors back on. Let's go ahead and start this puppy up and run a couple of regions on it. Hope for the best. Well, guys, we got the engine running. I'm going to go ahead and set it up to run a regen. I'm not going to make you guys sit through the regen. It's 30 minutes of just revving up to 1800 RPM. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you how I set it up. And once computer starts doing its work, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. And then I'll just show you, point out the soot levels right now, condition of the DPF and stuff like that. After the test is performed, I'll go ahead and come back and I'll show you guys, so you guys can see what a regen does and what it did to the DPF filter. Right now it's sitting at like 90-something%. After I do one regen for 30 minutes, I'm hoping it goes under 30. For whatever reason, I think I'm going to have to run 2 regens instead of just one. I would like to put this unit back to, I'm going to say 10-12%. Alright, here he goes. Let me go ahead and flip the camera over so you guys can see this. We already ran the standard test. We always have to do that one first. Go ahead and go to our test. After treatment, onboard filtering. As you can see, our DPF filter is 94%. I'm going to go ahead and start the onboard filter cleaning this test. Engine's going to rev up real high. It's going to look through noises, and let me give you the performance so that we can see what it's doing. Right now, our filter 1 pressure is low, filter 2 pressure is almost at 0, and our fuel rate is as you can see, the DPF filter inlet and outlet temperatures are climbing. As soon as it hits 500, the dozer injector should start to function. That's when we're going to see the temperatures hit close to 1,000, a little bit above 1,000. As you can see, our soot level is at 94. And right now, the dozer is using 0 fuel, 0 gallons per hour. As soon as the temperature hits 500, it'll change. Alright guys, I'll come back and show you a little bit more a little bit later on. Temperature's at 400. Well guys, temperature's still climbing. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up on a time lapse, and I'm just going to let the camera focus on the temperatures and the soot level. That way you guys can see, as soon as it hits 500, you're going to see these readings on the right side under the temperatures. Fuel pressures are going to climb, and a gallons per hour meter should be fluctuating from 0 to anywhere between 2 and 30. That's when the dozer injector is actually kicking in. So I'm going to go ahead and set this in a time lapse, dude, so you guys can see as soon as the temperature hits 500, readings are going to start changing. That means the dozer injector is being applied or used. Alright. As you can see guys, the regen is working. The dozer injector is not working properly. I mean, it burns up a lot of fuel, but as you can see, the soot level on the DPF is now at 52. It still has another, I don't know, 8-10 minutes to go. So I think we might just get out on the first try. As long as it's under 20, I'm okay with that. The bus can go back on route. I'll give you an update at the end of the regen test. Well guys, as you can see, regen's done. Soot level dropped to 25. To me, that's good enough, dude. I'm gonna go ahead and let it be, put it back out on routes, and Well, I don't think this is going to be coming back anytime soon, so this should be alright. If it does, I'll go ahead and keep you guys posted as to if it did and why. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.